North Spring.
You do it?
A little bit. He's like,
I don't want it now.
I know. Well, you had that in your mouth. That's
I was just
disgusting.
kidding.
Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day. It's ours to take and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.
Our next big stop was planned for Nashville, but the drive from Missouri to Tennessee would take a couple days. So we utilized our Harvest Host membership to visit a small alpaca farm in Kirksey, Kentucky. Luna Wood Alpacas is run by retired couple Cheryl and Woody, who left New England and bought this place. Until this trip, I didn't know there were so many alpaca farms in the United States. Gotta love these gentle animals.
Looks like another day's beginning, where I'm yours and you are mine. Oh, you are mine. So I said, can we walk together? Can we stay forever? Can we love one another?
If somebody would have told me it was going to snow overnight, I would have rolled up the truck window.
And at the end of a hard day, I know you don't want to be alone. Do you want to clear your head? Do you want to take a stroll? I don't care where we're going, just take me with you when you go. Wherever you go, oh, can we walk together? Can we stay forever? Can we love one another? You and me through thin and thick, I'll fetch for you your favorite stick. It's a symbol of the promise I will keep until I'm gone. I'm the best good boy you'll bring home.
By afternoon, we were out of the snow and at a great RV park in Nashville, Tennessee, Elm Hill RV Resort. Elm Hill sits on a peninsula bluff overlooking Percy Priest Lake just east of the airport. Beautiful views and great facilities. We highly recommend this place.
Looks like another day's beginning, where I'm yours and you are mine. Oh, you are mine. So I said, can we walk together? Can we stay forever? Can we love one another?
Just watch your drone battery level as you're heading back to shore.
And at the end of a hard day, I know you don't want to be alone. Do you want to clear your head? Do you want to take a stroll? I don't care where we're going, just take me with you when you go. Wherever you go, oh, can we walk together?
There's so much to see in Nashville. We started our adventures at Centennial Park and their full-scale replica of the Parthenon in Athens. Having been to Athens, it was really great to see what the building would have looked like in ancient times.
Petals line the trail we paved. Just two kids trying to find their own way. Dusty shoes have helped me realize love is forged in the climb. Love is forged in the climb. Like a cool drink of water on a summer afternoon. Like the fog clearing out a little time out in view. A breeze that whispers love will make it through. It makes me feel brand new. One moment with you.
Centennial Park is also a really nice place to take a walk. Nearby is the beautiful Opryland Resort, home to the Grand Ole Opry. A rainy morning seemed the perfect time to visit the Country Music Hall of Fame. The full impact of country music is showcased in 350,000 square feet of exhibits.
It was Saturday morning, I found you in the corner in your wedding gown, tearing up at the love that you thought that you had. This was not how life was going down. And you knew from the moment you felt it, the love should never be so hard. Let it up and you swing and you miss and the crowd goes boo. Now your elbows are scraped up. Oh, how fantastic.
happy to be down here with all you fine folks and handsome fellers, too. Now, they are. Sure enough. I've been looking at them. I just look. It don't do no good, but I still look. It's kind of like going down to the depot and watching the trains go by. You love to hear the whistle even if you ain't going nowhere.
But when I pick the banjo, my heart is mighty free. The banjo and the instrument for me. Well, let me hear the banjo. I like that good old five-string melody. It makes me feel so happy. My heart's light and free. The banjo and the instrument for me.
My father owns a recording studio near Los Angeles, and I grew up working there, so I was really interested in touring the oldest existing studio in Nashville, RCA Studio B. Many famous artists recorded here, including Dolly Parton, Charlie Pride, Eddie Arnold, the Everly Brothers, Roy Orbison, but most famously Elvis Presley, who recorded more than 240 songs here, including Are You Lonesome Tonight, It's Now or Never, and Can't Help Falling in Love. What's humbling is that similar equipment that I once used in my dad's studio is now in a museum.
Kiss me, you're not gonna miss me. I guess I'll get along somehow. Like a fish goes for the water, like the birds for the skies above. That's the way I go for you, pretty little girl, and I like your kind of love. Yes, I like your kind of love.
No visit to Nashville would be complete without dinner out, listening to live country music. Thanks for watching. We would love to have your support in reaching our first 100 subscribers. We appreciate you helping us get closer to our goal each week. Subscribing and liking the episode by clicking on the little thumbs up icon really helps us reach new people for the channel, and your written comments mean the world to us. We love building a community, and we appreciate you taking time out of your busy day. Karen, Wesley, and I wish you happy travels. See you next time.
Yes, I like your kind of love. Yes, I like